This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view your watch history on the TikTok app. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now and I have the TikTok app opened up. To view your watch history, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you will tap on Settings and Privacy. And from here you will scroll down to where you see it says Watch History and tap on that. And then right here it shows you all your videos that you have watched. But that is how you find your watch history on the TikTok app. Thanks for watching.